Welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can find watch videos on TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. And also, before getting started, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version. And without any further delay, let's get started. So then logged into your TikTok account, and once you're logged into your account, go to the Discover tab, which will be in the top right corner. As you click on it, press the search icon in the top right corner and then type in the query that you want to look for it. As you're done typing in, click on search, and then you need to tap on the filter icon in the top right corner of your screen. As you do that, a drop down menu appears, and from the list you need to toggle the switch for watch videos. As you toggle the switch, click on apply. And now you'll be able to see the videos that you recently watched on TikTok. And that was one of the methods on how you can find videos that you've already watched on TikTok. In case if you're unable to find it on the Discover list, then what you can do is you can simply head back to your home screen and then click on the profile icon. Once you click on the profile icon, you'll be directed to the profile page, and right on top you'll need to click on the three dot icon. As soon as you click on it, a drop down menu appears, and from there you need to click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, you'll have a list of options, and right in between you'll have an option as watch history. Click on it, and as you click on it, you'll be able to see your watch history. And in order to clear your watch history, what you need to do is click on the gear icon located in the top right, and once you click on it, a drop down menu appears, and from there you can even toggle the switch or turn it off, and then click on clear history, which means that all the history will be deleted. From further on, you'll not be able to see your watch history on TikTok. And that is how you can find watch videos on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.